Holly Joe, you're a superstar. You're a superstar. Hey, Greg over at DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. So, on my last camping trip, we were having to run into town to dump some of our gray water. We have a gray water tote just in case we get full. We got full, loaded up in the back of the truck, and the truck, the bed is about 40 inches from the ground. So I use a step stool. So getting out of the truck, when I stepped on the step stool, it kind of shifted because it was in some gravel that was probably 1 3/4, 2 inch, and it was really rough course. So it slipped on me. I fell. I almost broke my wrist. Luckily, it still hurts a little bit, but thank goodness I didn't break it. Otherwise, I'd have been out of commission for quite some time. Anyways, we went and did what we had to do. We got back to camp. We did have internet out there, so we sat down. I did some searching, and I found a ladder for my truck. Now, I know there's a lot of new trucks that have come out with ladders and stuff like that, so this doesn't apply to you. But it applies to the ones that don't have it, or the older trucks. You know, mine's a 2012. Now I'm going to show it to you. So, nothing obtrusive up here. I got some tape. I got to get a new clip. That I actually kind of messed that up when I fell. So let's open her up and let's find her. All right, here it is. Here's the ladder. It's installed. I lost the footage. I don't know what happened to it. So it's very basic to install, so I don't think we need to worry about tearing it apart and put it back on. I can just go over it with you. Right here is the brand of ladder that we've got. Now let's kind of go over and look at it. Now it looks like to be a powder coated finish. Okay, rubber feet on it. It's got a hinge point, and this is an adjustable leg, so you can adjust where you need it. This happens to be the very furthest down hole, last hole available on this. And as you see right here, there is some aluminum, basically tread plate that's been folded over and attached to it. Comes with stainless steel bolts and lock nuts, nylocks. Right here, same thing, stainless steel bolts, some nylocks, and then there's some nylon washers. Manual says you can use up to 3 nylon washers to take care of the gap. As you can see, I mean, it's still falling over, but it was holding in place right there. It wasn't falling over. It does have pins over here on this side, so you can actually take this and remove this. So you don't have to have it on permanently if you need to utilize this part of the bed or something. So I'm going to flip it down real quick, and we'll discuss this right here. So here's the attachment plate. Now it comes with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 holes. I got a couple extra in here because it didn't feel solid on some of the holes that when I drilled, so I added some extra ones. But they come with all the screws, and they are self-tappers. They got long and short. And again, like I say, here's the pins. You can take that and just remove the whole unit. Some bump stops, keep it from vibrating around when it's stowed. And all you do is go ahead and just roll it over, put it on a little bit of an angle. Now this right here allows for the truck to flex up and down, and this ladder will not become a compromise to where it'll slip out from underneath you or cause you to fall. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and walk up. I think I'm going to do this, and hopefully, let's try it this way. Everything's going to be in the picture. So 3 points of contact is what they say for safe. So I've got 3 points for the most part, coming all the way up. Really easy when I want to go back down. Same. Let's get you a different position. So as you see, It's rated for up to 300 pounds of weight. Stow, real easy. As you saw, I flipped it over, and then it's got this strap right here. So you can snap it close, you can snap it and lock it in place. And then it rides like that. So the only thing that I'm a little wishy-washy on, all this is excellent, is this right here. Let's say that I do take this ladder off. I'm just going to sit off this side, but say I do take it off because I need to slide some stuff in. Well, you know, I got two screw here's that are going to dig into something that this is going to be in the way a little bit. I don't know. I'll find out. I've just put it in, so if it does become a problem, I'll figure out something else, and if I do, I'll share it with you. Other than that, I think this is a product that anybody that has any difficulty getting up and into their truck or out of their truck should look at. Save you from having to go to the hospital. You know, I got very lucky, really lucky. I didn't break my wrist, so that's why I'm sharing this product. I think it's an excellent product so far. I've used it a couple times. You know, I only put it in this last week, but loaded. You saw it here. I tested it when I put it in. The lost footage, and it seems to be working really good. So down below is a link to Amazon to where you can pick this up. Really, actually very inexpensive, considering that you know, it's an improvement in safety. There is also some handles that you can put right into your pockets right there of your truck bed, that I see that they're kind of putting, like, add that to make it a, you know, those combo things on Amazon. I kind of looked at them. I'm not too impressed with it, so I'm not going that direction, but just note. And actually right here is another link to those. I mean, they look like a good product. It's just I don't want it on my truck. Folks, I hope you got something out of this review. If you liked it, please click the like button, hit the subscribe, and share the video. And until next time, happy camping.